Alright, I'm going to replace the battery on this GMC or Chevy key fob. I don't have the remote function because I'm cheap. Anyways, nail clipper comes into here. You just dig in there. Screwdriver, nail clipper, whatever works. This part might come out, not a big deal. Just remember it goes in like this. This part comes out, just use your fingers. And then this is a little bit more tricky. You want to pry the battery out like this and push it out. This is a 2032. Get the new one. Push it in. It's gonna be this way up. Same thing. Just put this in here somehow. Only can go in one way. This thing will go back to where it was. And it is so simple. Very good design. Piece of cake.